The AI revolution is no longer on the horizon. It's exploding right now, consuming semiconductors faster than the industry can produce them. Every powerful AI model, every new data center, every smart device and connected car needs advanced chips. The equipment to build them, the processors to run AI at the edge, the analog components that bridge the digital and physical worlds, and the precision technology that makes it all reliable. We are standing at the explosive center of the AI semiconductor supercycle. Demand is surging. Supply remains tight in critical areas. And a handful of companies are perfectly positioned to capture one of the greatest wealth creation opportunities in modern tech history. Some stocks in this space have already delivered massive gains, with AI tailwinds driving record momentum. But here's the exciting part. The biggest moves are still ahead. Today, I'm revealing my top 3 stocks to buy right now. These aren't hype picks. They form the essential backbone of the entire AI ecosystem from factory floor to edge devices. If you've been searching for high conviction plays in the AI infrastructure boom, this could be your moment. Stay until the end. You'll discover exactly why these 4 deserve serious attention right now. Let's dive in. 1. Applied Materials, AMAT. Applied Materials is the world's largest supplier of semiconductor manufacturing equipment. The company designs and sells the critical machines used by chip makers like TSMC, Intel, and Samsung to deposit, etch, and pattern the ultra-thin layers required for advanced logic and memory chips used in AI accelerators. Every new generation of more powerful and efficient AI chips requires increasingly sophisticated manufacturing tools. As the industry ramps capacity for AI-driven demand, Applied Materials sits directly at the center of massive capital expenditure cycles across the semiconductor supply chain. Applied Materials continues to benefit from robust AI tailwinds, especially in advanced logic and high-bandwidth memory equipment. On April 23, 2026, the company announced it will report fiscal Q2 2026 earnings on May 14, 2026, after market close, with a conference call following. Analysts expect EPS around $2.66, up 11% YOY, and project full-year FY 2026 EPS at approximately $11.10, representing about 18% growth from FY 2025. With further upside to $14.03 expected in FY 2027. The stock recently hit new 52-week highs, trading near the mid-$390s after strong analyst upgrades. Susquehanna raised its price target significantly to $500 from $435 while maintaining a positive rating. Other firms, including Goldman Sachs, Deutsche Bank, and Cantor Fitzgerald, have also lifted targets amid optimism around AI processor demand and memory shortages. Earlier in the year, Applied Materials issued upbeat guidance citing accelerating AI investments, which sent shares up over 12% in a single session and lifted peer stocks. Management has repeatedly highlighted strong demand for its equipment in angstrom-class nodes essential for next-generation AI chips. With AI capex remaining a top priority for foundries, Applied Materials is well-positioned for sustained growth. 2. Qualcomm, QCOM. Qualcomm is a global leader in wireless semiconductors and system-on-chip SoC solutions. Best known for Snapdragon processors in premium smartphones, the company is rapidly expanding into automotive, IoT, and on-device AI with integrated CPU, GPU, and dedicated AI accelerators. It also earns substantial revenue from its vast patent licensing portfolio. AI is shifting from cloud data centers to the edge, smartphones, cars, robotics, and connected devices. Qualcomm's efficient, low-power chips enable on-device AI inference, 5G connectivity, and advanced driver assistance systems, reducing latency and cloud dependency. On April 29, 2026, Qualcomm reported fiscal Q2 2026 results, posting revenue of $10.6 billion and non-GAAP EPS of $2.65, beating estimates. While handset revenue declined 13% YOY due to cautious OEM spending and memory market dynamics, the company showed impressive diversification. Automotive revenue hit a record $1.3 billion, up 38% YOY, and crossed a $5 billion annualized run rate for the first time. Combined automotive plus IoT revenue grew 20% YOY. Shares surged sharply in after-hours trading, up 8% on the beat and positive commentary around AI-driven product cycles. Management guided Q3 revenue between $9.2 to $10.0 billion and noted that handset challenges may bottom in Q3 with sequential improvement expected. Qualcomm also announced an increased quarterly dividend and a new $20 billion stock repurchase authorization, signaling strong confidence in its capital position. Analysts highlighted potential new catalysts, including possible collaboration with OpenAI on smartphone AI processors. The company returned $3.7 billion to shareholders in the quarter through buybacks and dividends. Despite near-term handset pressure, the accelerating automotive and edge AI momentum positions Qualcomm for long-term structural growth. 3. Texas Instruments TXN. Texas Instruments is one of the largest analog and embedded processing semiconductor companies. It designs and manufactures chips that convert real-world analog signals into digital data that processors can understand and act upon. Its broad portfolio supports industrial automation, automotive, communications, and data centers. Analog chips serve as the sensors and nervous system of modern electronics. In the AI era, they are critical for power management, precise data acquisition, and reliable operation in AI infrastructure, factories, vehicles, and edge devices. TI's diversified exposure offers stability while capturing AI-adjacent growth. Texas Instruments delivered a strong Q1 2026 earnings beat on April 22, 2026. Revenue reached $4.83 billion, up 19% YOY and 9% sequentially, with EPS of $1.68, up 31% YOY, significantly beating expectations. Operating profit rose 37% YOY to $1.8 billion, and gross margins held strong at 58%. Particularly impressive was the data center revenue surge of approximately 90% YOY, driven by AI infrastructure demand for power management and analog solutions. Industrial revenue also jumped more than 30% YOY. The stock reacted sharply, rising over 8% in the following session, one of its strongest days in recent memory. Bank of America upgraded the stock to buy, citing the inflection in industrial and data center growth. TI guided Q2 2026 revenue between $5 to $5.4 billion and continues to emphasize long-term opportunities in edge AI and industrial automation. The company also highlighted benefits from its 300mm manufacturing advantage and strong free cash flow generation, trailing 12-month FCF at $4.4 billion. Recent strategic moves, including deeper collaborations in edge AI, further strengthen its positioning. These four stocks provide diversified, high-quality exposure across the AI semiconductor value chain. With AI spending still in early innings, improving cycles in industrial and automotive segments, recent earnings beats, analyst upgrades, and major earnings catalysts ahead, the setup remains compelling for both growth and relative resilience in the semiconductor sector.